Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mohammed Yunus and I am Odoo Technical Developer. In this video we are going to talk about how to add a rainbow main effect. For example, if you want to add some kind of uh, some kind of picture or some kind of things that show that a task has been completed. So in this video we are going to talk about the rainbow main effect. So for example, when someone click on the completed button, so the rainbow main effect should be displayed. So let me show you how what I am talking about. So for example, if I click here, it display this thing like it is done, and this is what we want to achieve in this video. So for this purpose, what we need to do is to go to the models. First of all, we will have to go to the method. This is the method where we need to add the code, and here we need to return uh, the effect. So we will add first a return, and then this bracket, and here we need to add effect, okay, like this. And then here inside the effect we need to return a fade out. Fade out is slow, like this. And then we need to add a message. So anything you want to add here, like course completed, okay, like this. And then we need to add a type, like what kind of effect we are talking about. It is a rainbow main effect. Okay, so this is it, how we can add it. This is the simple way you can add it. Let me restart Odoo service, and then let me show you how it works. Okay, so let me create a record. So a rainbow effect like this. So let me add this one and submit. So are you sure? Yes. And okay, so it will take a bit of time because it is sending the email. And so okay, why I cannot see the button? I think so I have added, like if I click the edit button, it should be hide the button. So you can I have already discussed this in the previous video, so you can check it out. So let me click on the validate button. So when I click on the completed button, it should show this rainbow, like you can see course completed. So even we can change this icon, we can change our own image, yeah, or we can change some other image. So what I will do, I will add this image, this icon, like this one. So I will add this one. I have already copied this here. I created a directory with the name image and then success.image. So what I will do here is to add image URL, img URL, and then I will add the full path, like it will be Open Academy. First will be the module name, and then it will be static, okay, and then it will be img, and then success.png. Okay, this is how you can add the image icon. You can also add the image of any person, or you can set it dynamically also. So let me just do it again. Rainbow, rainbow main effect image, and let me add it here like this, and save it, submit for approval, yes, and then validate, and then let me click on the complete. So here you can see the icon is not changed. So this way you can add any other image of any person or something like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.